There's one thing about the 34-inch ultra-wide curve that nobody expects until they try it, and it changes how you spend your late nights playing the latest games, forever. Imagine yourself in the thick of a heated battle, every pixel on screen screaming for attention. You're not just fighting for victory, you're fighting to be fully immersed in the chaos around you. That's what this monitor does, it wraps you into the world of the game like you're part of it. But first, let me show you how it does that. The 34-inch ultra-wide curved has a feature called 1500R curvature design, which basically means the screen curves inward to fit your field of vision perfectly. This isn't just about looks, it's actually designed to reduce eye strain and improve viewing angles for an immersive gaming experience. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Now, let's talk about its stunning visuals. The monitor boasts 178 degrees viewing angle, which means no matter how many friends are hanging out with you while gaming, everyone gets to enjoy the full experience. And when it comes to color, this thing delivers. You've got a brightness of 350 candelas per square meter, 8-bit color depth, and 127% sRGB coverage that'll make your games look like works of art. But what really sets this monitor apart is its ability to handle fast-paced action with ease. With an incredibly smooth 180Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync technology, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to a gaming experience that's truly seamless. It's like butter, smooth, silky, and utterly responsive. Of course, no gaming setup would be complete without the right connectivity options. This monitor's got multiple HDMI 2.0 ports, DisplayPort 1.4 ports, and an audio out jack, making it easy to hook up your favorite devices and switch between them seamlessly. Plus, it's wall-mountable with a 100mm x 100mm compatibility, giving you the flexibility to customize your setup just how you like it. One thing that really stood out during my testing was its warranty. DJiEX backs this monitor with a worry-free 1-year guarantee. If anything goes wrong or if there are any issues with damage or malfunctions, their dedicated team will be there to help you out. All in all, the 34-inch ultra-wide curved is more than just another gaming monitor. It's a statement piece that takes your gaming experience to the next level, and at the right price, it's an absolute steal. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get yours now.